Here we take a look at our potting sheds which feature toughened glass. This type of glazing makes these garden buildings safer for children and pets. Made in the UK from thermally modified Swedish redwood. This treatment results in a timber with improved properties including almost no warping, shrinking, or swelling. All our garden buildings with toughened glass have a 12-year frame guarantee plus a 3-year guarantee on all fixtures and fittings such as the auto vents, locks and door furniture. They are available in a range of lengths from 6 feet 4 inches to 20 feet 10 inches and 2 widths, 6 feet 8 inches or 8 feet 9 inches. The door can be fitted in either the left side gable or the right, as shown here. The staging along the front provides working space and a useful growing area for seeds and young plants. Opposite the staging is valuable storage space for larger tools, compost etc., and there are 2 shelves for smaller items like pots and hand tools. Each roof vent has an automatic opener to regulate the temperature. These do not require a power supply. The door is fitted with a mortise lock and aluminium handle as standard. For a more traditional look we can use ornate black handles instead. If you prefer your potting shed to be painted, we offer a long-lasting, multi-layer finish applied in the factory as an optional extra. Choose one of the most popular traditional colors we recommend for garden buildings. Or select any other color from the Farrow and Ball Heritage range. Painted models have staging and shelves which are oiled. This makes them much more resistant to abrasion. All potting sheds have a fitted floor and a manually opening window opposite the door to provide some ventilation even at low temperatures. Included in the price are delivery to most postcodes and installation by a professional fitting team. The customer just needs to prepare a flat and level base prior to delivery. When you place your order, we will send you a base plan and a guide on how to construct a suitable base. If you have any questions, please give us a call, or click the contact link shown on our homepage. We are always happy to discuss your requirements.